So practically when ophthalmologists means, so those who see the eyes and prepare the eyeglasses na, according to our eyesight they prepare the correct eyeglasses. That means ophthalmologists, those who prepare the eyeglasses when we have the eyesight problem. So according to that they prepare the eyeglasses. They express lens characters in terms of power of lens. According to the power of our eyes, they prepare the spectacles, whether it is a concave lens or convex lens, okay, and not the focal length. Okay, so they see only the power of lens, not the focal length. If the power of lens is given by plus 4.0 diopter, then the positive power suggests that the lens is a convex lens and its focal length can be calculated as under. So if we have the power plus diopter, plus 4.0 diopter means, that means we need the which lens? Convex lens. If it is a negative means we need the concave lens. Okay, for example, they have given the power of lens, so we have to find out the focal length by using this formula. So power of lens is equal to 1 by focal length. Okay, so we should find out the focal length. So focal length is equal to 1 by power. So is equal to 1 by power is how much? 4.0. So we divide the 4. Okay, 0, then 0, 1.0. Then how much it becomes? 2 4s are 8, then 2, then again 0, then 5, 20. So 0. So 0.25. So 0.25 focal length na. So focal length is how much now? 0.25 by diopter, or 0.25 meter, or 25 meter we can change into centimeter. 100 meter is equal to 1 centimeter ना. So मीटर से सेंटीमीटर बढ़ा ना, इसलिए 0.25 इंटू 100. सो इंटू करने के समय 2 जीरोस ना, सो 2 नंबर का पहले व्हाट इज दैट? 2 नंबर का बाद में पॉइंट जाता है. सो 25 सेंटीमीटर. अंडरस्टैंड? सो व्हेन वी चेंज द मीटर्स टू सेंटीमीटर इज 25. So that is why 25 centimeter. So this is the focal length. Very easy. So in exam also they ask. They give the power and they ask us to find out the focal length. Or they give the focal length and ask us to find out the power of lens. Same thing we should use. If they give the focal length and ask us to find out the power lens means, so we have to keep 1 by p. If they give the focal length to find out the power of lens means, so we have to keep power of lens is equal to 1 by focal length. So like that we have to find out. So the focal length of the lens will appear how much? 4.0 diopter will be 25 centimeter. And the positive power means what? It is a convex lens. Negative power means it is a concave lens. So like this we should find out the power of lens. This calculation is very very important. They might have asked the question for 2 marks. Okay. The next one, uses of the lens. We use lenses in many forms in our daily lives. The spectacles use concave and convex or mixed types of lenses. Even water drops function like a convex lens. Water drop na, so they also act like a convex lens. Similarly, water or other transparent liquid kept in transparent containers act like lenses. The transparent gems like diamond etc. used in ornaments also act like a lenses. Okay. So the use of concave or convex lenses is seen in many optical instruments. So optical instruments means where we can use like a camera, projector, microscope, telescope etc. All these things are called as optical instruments which helps us to see. The eyes of humans and animals too use a lens to form image of the outside world. Okay, so in our eyes also lenses are there. That lenses only helps us to see the images. Okay, so I think in our eyes which lens are present? Convex lens are present. Okay, so that is the one. Understand? Now some optical instrument made using the lenses. So the first one is the photographic camera. So in the photographic camera, what kind of lenses they are using? You see, by looking at this, you say what is the lens? This one, convex lens. So how do they use the convex lens in the camera? Okay, so here we see photographic camera. So a camera not only produces the image of the object but also captures it for later use. Okay, so through the camera not only we see the image but also we can take the photo. That is the capture. We can capture the image of the image as a photo and keep it in the mobile or in the camera. So a camera is made up of plastic or metal. Camera, you know, it is made up of what? Plastic or metal, with the internal body kept completely black. And camera is mostly in which color? Black color. Towards the front end of camera is a converging lens. So converging lens means what? It is a convex lens. Diverging lens means it is a concave lens. So whose focus can be adjusted. This lens has less focus and is called the objective. This lens forms a perfect image of the object facing it. So why do they use the converging lens? Converging lens always form the image as a erect or virtual image. But convex lens, diverging, concave lens forms the mostly downward. Okay, real images. So that is why we use the convex lens. Understand? So this lens forms a perfect image of the object facing it. Behind this lens is a screen with a tiny hole in it. This controls the amount of light entering the camera and forms the image on a photographic film. Okay, so after the lens, what is present? Screen is present. This only controls the light. Okay, so afterwards we have the photographic film which catches the images and which catches the photos. The shutter controls the time duration for which the film is exposed to the incoming light. So when you put on the camera, sometime only it is on, after some time it is put off. So who controls this one? Shutter. The object whose image is desired is kept at a distance more than twice the focal length of the object. So for example, focal length of this lens is 25 centimeter, convex lens. Okay, so this is the one. But if it is more than the 25 centimeters, so object should be, to take the nice photo, object should be above the focal length 25 centimeter. Okay, so always the focal length of the objective lens. This results in a small real inverted image being formed on the photographic film. More than twice the focal length of the object lens, this results in a small real inverted image being formed on the photographic film. It formed the real inverted image. So above, more than the focal length means image will be forming real and inverted like this. But after that it will be changed into the virtual image. Okay, so here you see aperture ring. Aperture ring means the how much amount it is there, curved surface, it is called as aperture. So above the aperture, the ring, then it is a shutter control is there, convex lens, shutter, diaphragm and Foxy ring and film. So here only the images will be forming. Okay, so convex lens. Understand? Thank you, students.